Hello students, I will continue to solve the problem given in the previous class, that is find a root of the equation x cube minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0 using bisection method in 4 stages. Now the solution is, let fx is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. Now we put x is equal to 0. Now f0 is equal to 0 minus 9 equal to minus 9. This is equal to negative. f1 equal to 1 cube minus 4 into 1 minus 9 equal to 1 minus 4 minus 9. This is equal to minus 12. This is equal to negative. f2 is equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 minus 9. So this is equal to 8 minus 9. So this is equal to minus 9, that is negative. f3 is equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 minus 9 is equal to 27 minus 12 minus 9. So this is equal to 6, which is equal to positive. So negative positive, we see the functional value, that is f2 is negative and f3 is positive. Since f2 is negative and f3 is positive, so the root lies between 2 and 3. Since f2 is negative and f3 is positive, so root lies between 2 and 3. So the root lies between 2 and 3. So the first approximation to the root is, first approximation to the root is x1 is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. Then fx1 is equal to f of 2.5 is equal to 2.5 cube minus 4 into 2.5 minus 9. So this is equal to minus 3.375, which is equal to negative. So the root lies between, this is negative, so the next positive is f3 is positive. So the root lies between therefore the root lies between 2.5 and 3. that is x1, and the root lies between x1 and 3, 2.5 and 3. So the second approximation to the root is, second approximation to the root is x2 is equal to 2.5 plus 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to 5.5 by 2 equal to 2.75. Then fx2 is equal to 2.75 whole cube minus 4 into 2.75 minus 9. So this is equal to 0.79 0.7969. So this is equal to positive. So the root lies between, the next negative is fx1 is negative, fx2 is positive. So the root lies between x1 and x2. So the root lies between x1 and x2. Therefore, the root lies between x1 and x2 as fx2 is positive and fx1 is negative. So the third approximation to the root is, approximation to the root is x3 is equal to, x1 is equal to that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, which is equal to 2.5 plus 2.75 divided by 2. So this is equal to 5.25 by 2, 5.25 by 2 is equal to 2.625. Then fx3 is equal to 2.625 whole cube minus 4 into 2.625 minus 9. So this is equal to minus 1.4121, which is equal to negative. So the root lies between x2 and x3. So root lies between x2 and x3. So the root lies between x2 and x3. So the fourth approximation to the root is, the fourth approximation to the root is x4 is equal to x2 plus x3 divided by 2. x2 plus x3 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2.75 plus 2.625 divided by 2. So this is equal to 5.375 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2.6875. So hence the root is 2.6875 approximately and this is found to the desired accuracy, and this is the answer, and this is found to the desired accuracy. This is the answer. So thank you for watching this.